Hello, welcome y'all. This is your girl April. For the ones who don't know me, for first time visitors, hi, I go by the name Blogging with April. For the ones that if you've been here before, welcome back. Today, I was talking about my Birchbox subscription. I've been using Birchbox since May. This is my fourth Birchbox that's been sent to me, y'all. I'm gonna talk a little bit about that and what is Birchbox. For the ones who don't know Birchbox is basically, it's been founded by two women, two friends. Their idea is to help people to find to sample different products before they commit to buying the full size amount. They want to come up with a convenient way to help people to shop. A lot of people, they have busy lives and busy schedules, so they can't always go to brick and mortar, and they want to be able to find different products that's going to best suit their needs. So that would the whole idea of Birchbox derive from. Two friends, which I think is great, because a lot of times, we as women, people, men, anybody, we like to sample different things and see what works best for us before we spend our money on a product. So Birchbox allows you to do that. You get the sampling. If you like it and love it, you get to buy the full amount. You get to buy the full size. So that's what I like about Birchbox. Birchbox has been in existence since 2010. So, they've been around a little while, and it gets better and better. They have Birchbox for men as well. So I think it started off, women cosmetic, but now it branched off, for men can try Birchbox as well. So basically, what you would do before this is how the box looks. It's Birchbox. You get a customized box each month. So what you would do, how you would do that, you would go to Birchbox and you would have to set up a profile. Your name, address, different things you like, your skin type, what products that you're using. It can be from cologne, it can be from hair care, skin care, different things like that. Just to see, just to get a little bit of details about you and what type of products that you like. So you'll set your profile up. It'll ask you about your skin tone. Basically, if you have oily skin, dry skin combo, and you get to answer those questions. What type of product that you use on your hair? Do you have coarse hair, fine hair, short hair? What are your goals? Are you trying to grow your hair, or whatever your beauty goals are? So basically, you're gonna fill out a profile. Just to gather information. You're gonna set up a username, password, because you're going to be able to choose different parts that you can be able to change that up at any time. So that's the great thing about that. You set up a profile with Birchbox, and what it does, you have to pay for. You can choose to do a year subscription. You can do 8 months or whatever. You just have to just go on there and look. I don't remember like all the minor details, but what you do once you set up, your profile and type of products that you like possibly into, then you get to choose your subscription. What I'm saying? Then based on your subscription, that's the amount you pay. Like for me, I chose 13 months, so I'm paying like $13 for those months, and then you're able to opt out. You can, what I'm saying, you have the benefit of opting out if you want to cancel your subscription. But so once you get that set up, once you set your profile up, pay your subscription amount, you will get a box shipped to you like shortly after that. So that's the good thing about it. And then in your box you have different parts, which I'm going to show you my box for the month of August. And it'll come out of your account. You set up automatic draft, and it'll come out of your account, and you keep getting your different boxes each month. And like I said, you can always go back in your profile and change up whatever parts, whatever you want to get. So that's the gist of that. And like I said, why I like Birchbox, because I like to try different products. Usually I do a lot of I take a lot of pictures, I do a lot of videos, so I like beautification. I like to look nice, and also I'm also out in public a lot. I do a lot of I work, and I blog, I do a lot of great other stuff. So I want to make sure that my look is polished, I like to try different things to make me feel good, look good. And it also is a treat for me. You know what I'm saying? By working, you know, doing multiple things. I got 2 businesses and I work full time. So I like to do and try different things that's going to also be a treat to me and also to help me to feel better. So that's also a treat to me, as well as I get to sample out and try different things to see what works and don't work for me. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I like Birchbox. It's real convenient. You know, so that's why I like it. So for the month of August, this is my August box. You will get a customized box, and it comes in, when it's shipped, it basically comes in a brown box. You see the name Birchbox on it with, you know, your shipping information, all that great stuff. Is going to be shipped to your address. So this how it comes. It comes in, comes like this. You take out, the box is beautifully decorated. So you take this out, and you have a card let you know about the description of your products. You know what I'm saying? You have the card, and also you have something, you know, a little thank you note, you know, which is cool, personalized note. That's why I love it. Great. So basically, it comes gift wrap. So these are the products. I'm gonna talk to you one by one of each one that you get. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 different products this time. It's come, you know, beautiful gift wrap. So I like it. And it's basically just samples. You know what I'm saying? So basically, say if I like any of these products, I get the option of going online and buying the full size amount. You know what I'm saying? So that's the whole purpose of it. Just sampling out, you know, just to see, you know, what works for you, what you like, so you can go from there. You know, so I'm gonna talk about each one and what it does. This is called the ACology. You know what I'm saying? Another thing I like about Birchbox too, a lot of these brands I have never heard of. You know, if I was to go into a regular store, I wouldn't even see a lot of these brands in the stores. You know what I'm saying? If I was actually shopping. So Birchbox allowed me, it broadened up my horizon on different brands and what the products does. I get to read the ingredients, and I get to read description on what it does, like for my skin or whatnot. So that's what I like about it. You know, I never heard of this. So different. All the products that I've gotten in the months past is different things I never heard of, and it has me to think, okay, this helps me to take better care of my skin, and I can get to try different things. So it's lovely, y'all. So this is the ACology, and basically this is a brightening treatment mask. So with this, it's a peel off mask that you will put on. It helps out with, you know, with glow. You know, it helps your skin to glow and be beautified. So you apply this. You would, you know, clean your face. Like you can do this first thing in the morning or at night. It's your preference. You would do that. You would apply this on a clean face, and you will let this set for 30 minutes. You know, 30 minutes. And then you would, I guess, rinse it off after you remove it after 30 minutes. And stuff like this, having a regimen is very important, guys. If you say, I'm a person that I wear light makeup, you know what I'm saying? I wear light makeup for coverage. And if you have a regimen, that'll help out with blemishes. It'll help, you know, keep your skin fresh, rejuvenated, hydrated. So it's important that you have a regimen. And that's what this is. This basically is a mask. And then I'm assuming, you know what I'm saying, I haven't used this yet, but you know, repetition is key. The more you use a product, you get to see the results. So that's the great thing about it. You know what I'm saying? So if I really love this product, I get to buy the full size. So this is what this is, the ACology. The next product I'm going to be showing you is the Diva Curl. Okay, the Diva Curl is basically something you will put on your hair. It helps out with damage. If you're a natural, you know, after you wash your hair, say you have a lot of breakage and you're trying to strengthen in your hair, this is something you will use. You will wash your hair first, wet it, and you apply this, and you will leave it in. You just will leave it in for 15-30 minutes. You will rinse and style. So stuff like this, you know, on my profile, I chose different things to help to strengthen my hair, to help thickening my hair, because I chose skin. I had like I said, issues with my skin and with my hair. So those are products that they sent that catered to the need I put on my profile. So this is wonderful. You know, this will help, you know, to add, like if your hair natural or if you have a perm or whatever, this helps to strengthen your hair. So this is called the Devil Curl. Okay, the next one is the Perlise. This is more of like something to help protect your skin, and you can wear this like under your foundation. It has SPF in it, and you know, a lot of times we don't think, okay, to put sunscreen on, even if you're, you know, you're not gonna be like under the sun like that, but it's still good. It helps out with your skin. It helps out with anti-aging. So this right here has all the ingredients in it. You can put this, you know what I'm saying, up under your, if you wear foundation like me, I wear foundation. So what I would do with this is going to help brighten up my skin tone, help out with uneven skin color. So I will put this on under my makeup. As simple as that. And with this here, you don't have to rinse this off. You know what I'm saying? It's like a primer almost, but you get the great benefits of having the SPF on your skin. So this is great, especially, you know, in the summer months. You just out, even if you just out and about shopping, you at a family gathering, you're working or whatever, you're not doing anything strenuous outside, this is still great to put, even if you want to wear under your makeup, or if you don't want to wear, if you don't even have to have on makeup, you just want to put it on and just go exercise or whatever you do on a daily basis. This is what this is. Perlise. Okay, what else? What I did not show. Okay, this is called the Glow Recipe. Okay, basically this is a body lotion. You know, this is like a regular lotion to help out with moisturize and stuff like that. And a lot of time we need, you know, great moisturizer. You know, sometimes, you know, if you have like dry skin and you easily to, you know, your skin easily to dry out, stuff like this will help out. This is a great moisturizer, and it has great ingredients in it. This is a full body cream. You know, this helps out with your skin glowing. It has a great watermelon scent to it. And it also has ingredients that will help keep your skin hydrated. So this is what this is, Glow Recipe. Okay, and I think it's one more thing that I have in my box for the month of August. This is called the Aura. Okay, this is also a moisturizing cream. You know, what this does. No, this is a leave-in conditioner. I'm sorry. So with me, this is awesome. You know, right now I have braids. So you know what I'm saying, and then if I'm not wearing my braids, I have protective styles. Like I wear like my lace front wigs. I wear, you know, headband wigs and stuff like that. If my hair is not braided, ponytail wigs, different things that's protective, and I don't have to do a lot of work. You know what I'm saying? In the mornings before I have to go to work or I have a busy schedule. So basically, what this is like a leave-in conditioner. Like with me, right now I have braids. So normally if I don't have my braids, I wash my hair and condition my hair every week. You know what I'm saying? That helps strengthen my hair and build it up. I do that anyway every week, you know what I'm saying, without the braids. So what this basically is a boost. It will also help, you know, with breakage and stuff like this. A leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioners are great for your hair, and especially if you use heat. Not too often. You use heat every now and then. Leave-in conditioner keeps your hair from being brittle, breaking out, dryness. So it's great to have some type of like leave-in conditioner. So this is what this is. The RB. You know what I'm saying? You can style it however you want. You can put it on your edges. That's what this is, y'all. So like I say, basically that's what Birchbox is, the gist of it. Basically, it's different products that caters to your need. You know what I'm saying? You have issue, you know, you're trying to improve your skin. You're trying to grow your hair. You know, they also have fragrance. You know what I'm saying? They have different things like sunscreen, different things that you chose that's going to help towards your goal. And you don't have to, you know, it's convenient. You don't have to go out and try to find different products. If you don't have time, if you don't have time to go to store and sit down and look and read the descriptions and all that stuff on there, you can do it through Birchbox. You know what I'm saying? They will send you, and it's different brands. Like I said, brands I never heard of, but the products work. The products are great, y'all. They send top-notch products that, you know, you can be able to order later on. And it's also great, you know, you can share, you know, share the information, you know, with family, friends, people who looking for something different. They want to try different things, y'all, and it's very reasonable each month. Just to try different stuff. Even if you don't even buy the full size amount, like with me, I haven't purchased any full size amount yet because I still using my samples. And it's great for that. If you just want to sample here and there, it's worth the money. At least I think so. It's worth the money, y'all. You know, I just, you know, basically want to tell you what Birchbox is. And if you're a person that, you know, you have a busy schedule, you don't always have time to go shopping and looking for different things, but you still want to be able to do self-care, because self-care is important. That's why, you know, I chose to subscribe to Birchbox, because I'm heavy on self-care and self-love. I'm heavy on just, you know, treating myself, you know, finding out what works for me and what don't, product wise. So that's why, you know, I subscribe to Birchbox, y'all. I just want, you know, just to come and, you know, share with you some of the things that I do. Y'all, I have a lifestyle blog that talk a lot about, you know, different things, products, how to take care of yourself, health and wellness. I'm also a health and wellness coach, and I sell health and wellness products as well, y'all. So I talk a lot about those things on my blog. I have my link here on my about my personal health and wellness products that you can be able to check out the link here. And also I have my blog link too as well. You can check out different stories, different things I talk about, from finance to healthcare to personal care, do-it-yourself products, motivation, inspiration, different things like that, to help you to have a better life and to enjoy your life to the fullest. Because that's what, you know, I love to do. I like to motivate, help others, and I also too like to enjoy my life as well, you know. So check those things out on my website, y'all. For any questions, to collaborate, email me, bloggingwithapril at aprilblog.online. You know, like and subscribe to this video. Any questions, you can feel free to comment, share. Y'all, let's keep the party going, y'all. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.